on Mac, root install CLI. I've already installed it, so it's not going to do anything for me. And then we go LK cloud auth. This now will soon bring up a pop-up. Select the project, allow access. Then we can close this window, come back into our terminal, make this project default, select yes. Let's just call this LK test. Then we type in LK app create. This will give us options to select from. We want to choose the first one, agent starter Python. We'll give it a name, Python LK test. Then we enter our keys. And then we just got to make sure we're in that project. So we just type in cd python LK test. Now we're in here and we type in UV sync. UV just lets us, it already does everything for us. Then we run UV run source agent. And what I might do is actually just show you guys how this looks like in Cursor. So what we're doing now is we're going to run this file right here. And to do that, we are going to type in this UV run source agent. And it's going to download all the files for us. Now to run this in our console, we simply paste this in UV run source /agent.py console, and it will now work for us. Hey, what's going on? How are you?
Hey, I'm here and ready to help you. How about you? What's on your mind?
Sexy. Awesome. Thank you very much. There you go. Now to make this work on the front end, if you want to share it as a demo to people, now we simply jump into Sandbox on the left-hand side, click on Web Voice Agent where it says next.js, create Sandbox, give it a random name, then I'll call it Python test LK, and then we just create. Click on Done. Then we come back to our terminal and we type in LK agent create. Then we say yes. Choose .env.local. This will push everything that we have in our file to the cloud where everything will be hosted by LiveKit. Would I like to the logs? Sure, why not? Jump back to just make sure one of our agents is in here right now. So we've got one. We come back to our sandbox. We can click on launch. And now it will automatically pick the one that we just created. Hey, how's it going?
I'm doing well, thanks for asking. How about you? Is there anything I can help you?
Great. I just wanted to show off the LiveKit cloud stuff that you guys have.
That sounds interesting. Cloud stuff can do a lot. Are you looking to discuss specific features or services?
That's it. Anyway, that's all it took, ladies and gents. So if you found this guide helpful, you're welcome to, number one, join our free school community to learn on how to create voice AI agents. You could leave a comment below if you'd like me to go through and how to set this up with Twilio and possibly even send through a end of call transcript to NA10. Anyway, thanks guys for watching.